Good morning. I would like to give the presentation on the many facets of 3D government of Telangana under the guidance of Dr. Professor Chandrasekhar Iyer. So outline of the talk, introduction, related work, cyber policing, the India abuses a government of Telangana, conclusions, future work, and references. Now we'll see the abstract. So negative usage models, for example, dark web that surround the descriptive ICT means information and communication technologies, become a threat to ensure sustainable, progressive nation, society, and culture. Cybercrimes which capture such models played vital role in misleading the Telangana youth and society in the cause of Telangana movement, with the result that academic merit and leadership turned India abusive during 2011 to 2014 in technological education environment in Telangana. Introduction. So here we will see some terminologies: cybercrimes and cyber criminals, improper cyber policing, appropriate cyber policing, online offline cyber criminal organizations, FGOT and change check. FGOT means fake government of Telangana. SCI PIUA violation, identity theft, CGOT, SGOT, QOL, QONL. So these are the different terminologies that are going to use in our presentation. So this picture represents, screenshot represents the website URL of JNTH which was created, which was dated on 12 November 2011. So there you can see, so Telangana Amlam, so which is before Telangana government, so, and also used Indian Amlam. So this is, we'll consider it as a crime. So related work, groundwork related to the cybercrimes, issues and details on better grounds, strong ground, more elaboration of reporting and recording the details, impact of RTA Act for the field reporting and registration of the cybercrime, Cyber Remedial Forum, that is People's Governance Forum, PGF, we'll say PGF, adaptive management of cyber criminals and maladaptive organizations, research methodology based on ICT approaches. So this is the related work. So motivation for this presentation is the current solutions did not yield what were expected out of them. So what is the need? So white paper released by the state and central governments, orders to prohibit the JNTH and FGOT cyber criminal organizations and convictions of these cyber criminals. So coming to the discussion, the multidimensional perspectives and significance of such cybercrimes were highlighted in nearly 20 research publications, including our earlier NAOP 2017 presentation, towards research tracking the issue of cybercrimes from 360 degrees life cycle and remedial perspectives. Interestingly, the 3D, so D means dimensions. The 3D government of Telangana were well known. One is state government of Telangana, that is from 2011 to 2014, and government, so 2nd June 2014 to September 2018, and third government, that is September 2018 to till date. So through People's Governance Forum, we brought to limelight the prevalence of the first government of Telangana, that is a fake government of Telangana. Its chief minister, council of ministers, and governor are anonymous. The details of the nearly 2,000 restraints in the website relevant to the FGOT are not known to us. The fake government of Telangana and JNTH, its affiliated organizations who use the website that is jnthjack.com during 2011 to 2014, cyber criminally. Earlier, through web crawler, we retrieved and captured the snapshots of the homepage of the website for researchers' benefit. Thus, JNTH and the FGOT are twin cyber criminal organizations which abused our national society and academics through their negative usage models of disruptive ICT. There is a police complaint registered against this government of Telangana The fake government of Telangana has had a JNTU JAG as its functional organization, online, offline. We endeavored to recover the academic and the national losses due to these cyber crimes. The second government of Telangana is formed on 2nd June 2014 to September 2018. It is an offshoot of the first government of Telangana, the fake government of Telangana. It is a full-fledged government with well-known Chief Minister Mr. K. Chandrasekhar Rao, Council of Ministers and Governor Sri VSL Narasimhan. The third government is the caretaker government of Telangana, that is from September 2018 to till date. The former ministers became the caretakers, caretaker ministers. The government is unchanged. 3D government of Telangana details cyber crimes, and for cyber policing to check Indian abusive crimes. Our idea is for Surakshit, Swachh, Aap Bharat. Digital India becomes successful only when it is able to secure its people with the ability to prevent or remedy the computer cyber crimes that abuse a nation, society, or its people or the culture. So the methodology that we are using here is the people of the country how to be information security intelligent in facing the uses of disruptive technologies. Further, the nation should be able to ensure that the cyber criminal organizations do not spring forth from within and are disembark successfully, easily, when noticed to have a say or existence otherwise. To release the same, our research group members form a cybercrimes awareness generation workforce through the PGF. The role of PGF, what the PGF will do: inculcate national spirit in the educated youth, successful digital India, information security intelligent people, cybercrimes awareness generation workforce, perverted cybercrime prone society to inclusive society. Swachh Digital Telangana. Nation should successfully disembark the CCOC. So conclusions. So here we included the website, that is sites.google.com, site Chandrasekhar K, Hyderabad, Bulbul Charnar Chalchal. So in this website you can find different different papers on cyber crimes. SOUS is a remedial forum to generate the people's consciousness for the cybercrime free society. This promotes positive national psychology among the Telangana people who noticed the prevalence of India abusive cybercrimes during 2011-2014. Our work builds inclusive society by transforming the perverted cybercrime prone community by means of knowledge sharing by the website and social network. Our work adopted a legacy means to achieve Swachh Digital Telangana, that is free from India abusive cybercrimes. The dire need of the hour is a white paper released by each of the state and the central governments about the FGOT, that is fake government of Telangana, detailing the stringent measures taken to diffuse the same so that the fake governments do not tend to recur and the existing governments can gain people's confidence. So these are the references that we used for preparing the paper. Thank you.